affiliate commission, video watch time, traffic, conversion, and sales in just 3 clicks for a low one-time price. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, connect. Step 2, automate conversions. Step 3, profit. Here are some of its amazing features. Precisely record, track, and analyze user behavior on your website. Use AI to analyze each customer interaction without compromising on website speed. Inbuilt website builder to build your own stunning web pages, sites, funnel in any niche instantly. 500 done-for-you funnel and website templates in red-hot trending niches. Identify most visited areas of your website, blogs, etc., and take action accordingly. Understand user behavior and foster long-term connections with ease. Get comprehensive overview of your website's traffic for the last 30 days. Improve your website's navigation and layout to make it more user-friendly. Get accurate session recordings to have a complete picture of how users interact with your website. Improve the user experience and increase conversion rates with no third-party dependency. Understand your audience better and tailor your website's design to their preferences. Track the number of sessions, unique visitors, returning visitors, clicks, and page views. Commercial license included, provide red-hot service to customers across the globe. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are only available during the special launch deal. But make it fast, as this is a limited time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risk, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, WebDot will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get WebDot for the lowest price. Good luck. We'll see you inside.